Hello, welcome to an EagleSix Airsoft video. We're going to be testing this TM MK46. This one has got EagleSix upgraded bearings in there to replace the plastic bushings. It's got the Psionic R Hop rubber. We find that gives quite a lot of lift with minimal reduction in FPS. We've got the upgraded EagleSix main spring. No spaces on this one, so it's coming in about 328 FPS. And we've got the Warhead high-speed motor, and we're just going to demonstrate this one working on 2.8 ammo at the moment, and everything's all good. There we go, it's all tested, working. So like I say, good reliability upgrades, and obviously all the range and accuracy. We've toned this one down a little bit on FPS, but they're weird guns because, like I say, you can run them on 3.2 ammo and they can shoot just as accurate as any other NGRS, which is odd for a support gun because it's, like I say, incredibly accurate. But like I say, we've tested this one all working. Hopefully everything's all good to you. Once again, we've sold out of Mark 46, so we buy boxes of them and they keep on selling. You know, incredibly popular gun, despite obviously the price point that they're at, because look at them, they're beautiful, they're amazing guns. So we're going to continue to support them because I love them, and I hope TM does a few different more variants. Maybe the Vietnam one, that'd be awesome, wouldn't it? You know, so but hopefully, like I say, TM keeps pushing this particular gun and sees those sales, because obviously, like I say, I think they're amazing. So but yeah, we hope you enjoy it. I'll put all the description for the video up on YouTube, and yeah, any problems, let me know, but have fun. Thank you.